my first official video. This is a mukbang slash plain loteria slash never have ever. I'm with my best friend Marleni. Hi. And we got takeout from Third Generation.
Their ramen, yeah, y'all should hit it up.
Yeah,
we got spicy tonkatsu ramen.
Yes.
And we're gonna pull that out, prep it, and feast.
And play loteria, and
we have a narrator today. So
yeah, our camera woman should be asking us some questions, never have ever, and we're gonna answer. And we're gonna go on from there. So hope you like it.
Never have I ever had a crush on someone from Full House.
Oh yes, Uncle Joey. Was it Uncle Joey?
I'm gonna keep it real with you. I've never watched this.
I had.
Wait, Uncle Joey is that guy who comes out in the yogurt commercials, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got something on your right here.
Oops, I did it again.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Oh.
Take off your pants, Greek boy.
Huh?
You heard the man. Take those pants off. That's gonna stain.
Dan and Oikos Greek yogurt. Fuel your pleasure.
No, please. Don't leave me alone with them.
She wasn't good for us anyway.
Then, on him, yeah, probably.
Never have I ever scared myself in a mirror.
Every morning.
There's this one time, I had just seen Insidious and The Grudge, right? And I went to sleep and I woke up like in the middle of the night. I was walking to the restroom, you know the mirror's right here? She's dying and I haven't even finished. And I walked, and cause like I had to get off my hair tie, so it was... And from the corner of my eye, I see that and I'm like, it's this bitch from Insidious, she came for me.
Never have I ever actually laughed out loud when typing LOL.
I've done LOL, like LOL. Oh, like, if it's like that, like in that case, it's keyboard slam. Like,
Oh.
Never have I ever daydreamed about being on a talk show and what I talk about. So,
in the shower, I'll be having my own talk show.
Yeah, I mean.
I think it's how I cope with what
So,
I do.
my stepdad at night, it's like at midnight too, Laura comes on. And it's so funny because my sister, she's like, she mocks, like, pero señorita loud. And I keep laughing because, like, we go back and forth. ¿Qué pasa, desgraciada?
¿Qué pasa, desgraciada?
Pero señorita Laura.
That shit is crazy.
Yeah.
You know what else is crazy? Jose Luis sin censura.
Oh, you know what? There was like this one period of time I was into Jerry. That's like the English version of Jose.
never have I ever given money to a homeless person.
Just yesterday I gave, but I was panicking because the guy came, but he was kind of like loud, so I started panicking, and I just like zoned out, like because I was serving food, so I was just like like doing it quicker, and I started like I just spaced out, and like I looked up and Ashley said something, and I was like, yeah, but I didn't hear what she said, so I just gave him the dollar I had.